ways I see marine conservation and restoration contributing to society is that it could very well be a whole new industry. Our entire industrial history was an extractive economy where we took things away and turned it into value. Now we have an opportunity to actually be paid to do restoration and improve the ecosystems while also providing to society. And the new mechanisms that are coming through the legal system, the new credit systems that are coming, I think there's a lot of opportunities where profitability and ecological restoration can be done hand in hand. In terms of herbivorous fish that are eating kelp forests, this is not a particular problem to Portugal. It's actually quite common, we see in various places in Asia as well. So I think the first thing we should do is, rather than trying to reinvent the wheel, I think we should actually go back to other regions that have already suffered this and look at the various solutions that they've come up with. Some of the preparations of fish, turning it into other type of useful resources. I think there's different solutions that are out there already. So I think the first thing to do is just look at the best practices, try to adopt those, and if we can't adapt those, then try to find more locally specific solutions. I think my inspiration to work in marine and coastal ecosystem restoration comes down to how can I most effectively use my time. What I see is that we have tremendously valuable ecosystems around the world on our coast that are being ignored and forgotten. But by making small efforts, we can have tremendous ecological benefits and restorative results if we actually focus on those regions. But we just don't really think about it because ecological restoration has almost entirely been done on terrestrial conditions where we can see, where we can walk, where we can breathe. Yes, doing restoration underwater is harder, but the net result and the value that we get out of it is exponentially higher than anything we can do on land. So for that reason, when you think of the effort and time I could put in and the output we can generate, marine ecosystem restoration has the biggest return. So that's why I like to dedicate my time on it.